Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Instant Cash Solution. You probably hear, guys, because you're searching right now online a way to make money online, and you ended up on my affiliate channel. Okay, I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you ways to make money online. Usually, I like digital products, digital information products, or something very simple, okay? Just like this system right here, Instant Cash Solutions, copy and paste classified advertising training, okay? If you basically can just copy and paste some ads, guys, you can do this business, okay? No internet marketing really is required, okay? So you don't have to worry about the learning curve of internet marketing. This is for a novice all the way up to an advanced marketer, okay? So at any rate, that's how you landed here, okay? Because you are looking for a way to make money online, and that's what I show you. All right, so first thing I want you to do is go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? And like the video as well. I would appreciate it. Okay, Instant Cash Solution, guys, as it states, this is a classified training course, classified ads training course. If you ever want to know how to place classified ads, this is the program to get. All right, it shows you everything. We have the ad copy, we have the marketing, we have the marketing system, we have the email copies, email follow-up series for your prospects, everything you need. We have weekly training, okay, that you can tap into. It's going to be live every Tuesday, okay, and then it's recorded in your back office if you happen to miss it, okay? So we have training for you, so everything you need right here at your fingertips, okay? So with this program too, just know you can use the ads here to promote, you know, another business. So this can be used for not only Instant Cash Solutions for you to make money with this, but you can promote any business because you can use these ads to pull your leads in, okay, to whatever business you're promoting, okay? So this is a member-to-member program, meaning the person that joins with you is going to pay you. So you don't have to wait on a weekly check from the company. You're going to get paid directly from your customer. The person that joins you is going to pay you directly. And you decide how you want to get paid. We have various payment methods, okay, in your back office, you know, from PayPal to Authorize.net to Cash App to cash only. However you want to receive your payment, just go in your back office. And basically all of them are listed there. Just plug in your information and you're good to go, okay? So very easy, one of the easiest programs that you can get started in. No internet marketing required. Okay, we got 4 levels here. We have a $100 level, a $200 level, a $300 level, and a $500 level, okay? And each of those levels, again, it's a training course. So you get more marketing with each level as you go up. So I highly recommend, you know, go all in at the platinum level. That's where I am, the $500 level. That way you can get paid on all the levels, guys, okay? Of course, if you can't, you know, come in where you can. But just know you can only get paid on the level that you actually purchase. So if you come in at the $100 level, you can only get paid at the $100 level. So if someone comes in at those higher levels, you don't get any money, okay, at all. But you can always upgrade, you know, later on, and you will pay the full amount of that level. So if you come in at the $100 level, that's $129 today, and you decide you want to go to the $300 level, you will pay $300 plus $29, okay? So that's how that works. But you get paid instantly, okay? This is 100% commissions, direct member to member, all right? So I'm going to go over to the Instant Cash Solutions back office and let you see some of the features and things we've got going on over there. All right, hang on one second. In our back office here, and let me just show you the back office. As you can see right here, leads are coming in continuously with this program. People are very interested in it because it's simple, okay? People like simplicity. It's, you know, it's not a lot of thinking with it. Just copy. Okay, copy what we're telling you. Let me just go through here real quick and show you some things. So we go back here, as you can see, here's your control panel. Okay, You have your capture pages. Here's your contacts. You have your broadcaster, your emailer, where you can broadcast to your list at any point in time you like. We have banners back here, guys. We tell you places to post those banners as well for advertising. You have, this will be your downline, your genealogy, your commissions tab, your resources, and some downloads. So let's just go into resources real quick. Look at all the training you're going to get back here, guys. Okay, training videos, getting started guide. We have it all, okay? Okay, and then our marketing tab. If you click the marketing tab, here's all the marketing, the Craigslist images. We have a sizzle call number, texting, solo ads, banner advertising, hot links, places to, that you can post ads. Facebook strategies, which is going to give you some Facebook images as well. This particular program is big on images, not necessarily a bunch of text messages in your ads, wording, in other words, not a lot of wording in ads, more so images. So that's what keep you also from getting flagged, okay, because there is no wording, okay, you're using images, okay, which makes it awesome. And we have some great images, and we're going to be having more being added into the back office. Okay, I think we have, I don't know, maybe 18 or so. I'm going to show you those as well so we can check it out. ICS text messaging, we're big on that as well. So let's go over to the imaging, the Craigslist image ads, and let me show you. Okay, let's see how many we have back here. I'll tell you in a second. Hang on, let's see what we've got. Alright, we've got a total of, let's see. And like I said, we're going to have more being added going forward. How many do we have? 18. Yeah, 18. 18 image ads, okay? And that's just for the Craigslist, okay? We have some for Facebook as well, okay? So that's what make this copy and paste program, okay? But it's not just copy and paste, it's a classified advertising training, okay? So that's what makes it stand out, okay? That's what led me to this program as well, because of the images, okay? That's what makes it have that, and many, many more. And we recommend, okay, you using Press One Cash, okay? The Press One Cash system with this as well. And I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, so not only we're showing you the ad copy to use, but in your ads, guys, even with the image, you can put a phone number under that image, okay? So you can actually put the ad out there and then put your Press One Cash phone number, and then they'll listen to the message, they'll press 1, and they can get your ICS, your Instant Cash Solutions link, because you can change the link in your Press One Cash system. This particular system here is a software. Okay, it's a texting software in which you're assigned a phone number. Everybody gets a phone number. You get 100 credits, and you can promote any business with this Press One Cash. So we are recommending that in conjunction with Instant Cash Solution that you use the Press One Cash system. That could be your marketing tool, okay, to promote Instant Cash Solution, okay? This particular program here, this software, I'm sorry, and it is a program because it's an income stream as well. But this software is a one-time $297, and you make $200 every time someone purchases the Press One Cash system. So if you're promoting Instant Cash Solution, you'll make money on those levels, and then you'll make money because most people want the marketing system that you use. Or they're going to ask you, what marketing system do you recommend? Of course, it'll be your Press One Cash, so you'll make money on that as well. With Press One Cash, it's a one-up comp plan, so your first sale gets passed up, then after that, you're qualified, and you make $200 over and over and over, and you can receive your payments any way you want with this one as well. So they both are member-to-member instant pay, okay? So definitely, Instant Cash Solution combined with Press One Cash is a powerhouse, and that's what you want to have. Simplicity is what makes it work, okay? Place ads, put your Press One Cash phone number in your ad, they press 1, they get your Instant Cash Solution website that goes to your capture page, okay? And then once they go there, they're right here in your Instant Cash Solution with them on your behalf, okay? You see how that works? Place ads, put a phone number there. That sends them to your link for Instant Cash Solution, okay? And you just bounce that back and forth. But I want to show you real quick, I also put together a postcard for some people have been asking about a postcard, so I put one together, and if you're interested, let me know. So let me show you that real quick too. Okay, so as you can see right here, real simple, guys. You don't want a whole lot of things on your postcard. This keeps it simple. Make $200 a day from home mailing this postcard. Internet is required, so I'm letting them know that. And then of course the phone number on there is the press 1 number. Okay, now right now I'm toggling back and forth. I have it going to the press 1 system, okay, but it's okay. I'll probably be getting another number as well, but I just want to give you an example. You put your press 1 cash number on your postcard, and then as you can see, I state press 1 for the details. I tell them what to do, and then it says join here, which would be a domain. Okay, and I have a special domain I purchased just for this postcard. So that's why I'm not revealing it, because anytime it's used, I'm going to know it's from my postcard. Okay, and it's going to go into my, I have the Conversion Pros. I created a capture page for it and an email series. So they'll go in there, okay, for this postcard campaign. So just another way to market. And again, I'm going to be promoting Instant Cash Solution in conjunction with Press 1 Cash, okay? So that's how that works, all right, guys? So if you're looking for simplicity cards, sending text messages, things of that nature, very simple, that anyone can do this. You know, you don't have to have any background, any experience in marketing online or any of that. This is perfect for you, okay? Instant Cash Solution. Let me show you something real quick. They're also giving away free vacations for gold and platinum members. Let me show you that real quick, okay? For gold members only, they have a awesome deal, okay? Right here. All this is in the back office. This is not my words. This is what the company is offering, okay? And I made some notes, so I'm going to read to you so I can make sure I get it right. Okay, you're only going to pay for the taxes and fees, guys. It's $20 per night. Okay, so they're talking 4- and 5-star resorts. Okay, this is not some rinky-dink hotels. The incentives to join. This is an incentive to join at those levels, gold or platinum. Your paid vacation, 4 days, 3 nights, domestic destination, 5 days and 4 nights, international. Okay, so that's awesome. Get ready to join. Get started and get your vacation. Then you go back here and fill out, activate your vacation certificate. Okay, so don't do that until you're ready. But once you redeem the vacation certificate, you have 18 months to book your travel date. See, all this is in the back office. I'm reading it to you. Okay, but it is here. Okay, so another incentive to come in at the gold or platinum level. All right, that's who this is for. Those are the only levels that qualify, okay? And this is in the back office, as you can see, platinum and gold members, okay? So another reason to get started at those levels and get that, take advantage of that free vacation, all right? So guys, that's all I've got for you today. I just want to bring that to you guys' attention. This is definitely the place to be with Instant Cash Solution, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for Instant Cash Solution and for Press 1. So get started with me. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos as well. And go ahead and like the video as well.